And we are in the 100 days 6 minutes drawing challenge.
Yeah, and this is episode
And number 39.
39. The Funny Monster series. Okay, so thank you for being with us, continuously watching our videos, and if you hit on the like button, if you hit on the subscribe button, and if you stay till the end of this video, what are we gonna do is we're gonna give you some amazing goodies. Yeah, what you need to do is hit on the comment below, tell us what you want us to draw next, or if you like the drawings, or whatever you want to comment, but just comment. Then the first 5 comments wins some exciting goodies from Kids Funland Club and Parikshet. So let's get started with episode number 39, that is 39.
They don't win me.
Okay, so let's
They win goodies from me.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, they don't win you, they win goodies from you. Okay, let's get started with the funny monster drawing. An easy one. So sorry. Okay, the teeth.
Now you have made that in the wrong place. Haven't you?
Yeah.
Haven't you made that in the wrong place?
No, it's okay.
No, then I'm not making that.
Let's continue. We make the eyes big ones.
Biggie eyes. Biggie eyes.
Okay. And now we connect them. Done. Next, what we do is bring this. And now we make the body. How is the body? Very easy. Just make a straight line. And we make a straight line.
How long?
That's all. Yeah. Okay. These are the legs. The hands. How do the hands look like? Easy. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
We are done. Now we just need to do a little bit of shadings. And it will look like a monster. Okay. Let us make the outlines a bit darker. And that's done. Let's see if Parikshet is done. Oh wow, it's looking better. The Parikshet sketches have started to look better than what I draw. Okay, by the time Parikshet finishes his drawing, do not forget to go to Instagram. See some amazing funny videos created by Parikshet. You are going to love it. Simply love it. And share your drawings with us on Instagram. Tag us at the Kids Funland Club and hashtag Kids Funland Club so that you can win some amazing goodies. You can be featured on our Instagram channel. So yes, this is the time. This is the time. The time is now. Do the needful. Share your drawings with us on Instagram. Hit on the like button. Hit on the subscribe button. Add a comment below and win some exciting goodies from Kids Funland Club and Parikshet. Yo! Keep the copy straight and now, since they have to learn from you, the camera has to record it nicely. Got it? Do you know how do we put hashtags?
Slurpee, hashtag.
Hashtag is like this. This is hashtag.
Slurpee, hashtag wobbly monster.
Wow. So this is Parikshet's drawing. Do not forget to tell us whose drawing did you like. Yeah. See you in the next video. Have a great and a wonderful day.
Today.
Bye-bye.